Right, Greg the Wild Hippie back once again. Railway update in the bedroom, what, number 13 now? Wow. Hi, let's just turn you around. Yeah, so today I took a little road trip up to Morpeth to get my bike booked in for the MOT and order a couple of parts for it. And I stopped in J&J Models in the little horse yard arcade or something, just off the high street. Lovely couple run it. I was just in there, and they had that Royal Mail coach in the second-hand bin for a £5. So I thought, yeah, and that money it would be rude not to. Also got a buffer stop, £2 something, and then I got a new left-hand point for 12 quid I was, so just under 20 quid well spent. I'm skint again now. I found 20 quid in my other bank account, so that was pretty cool. Yeah, so I'm just having a little bit of a running session and a thoughts. Yeah, I'm after all the effort and faffing around, and now I've even bought a set of points for that bit. I'm actually thinking about doing away with the raised area. It doesn't work very well. 50 can't get up the ramp. Just about get up the ramp with one coach, not two. 37 can get up there just with a lot of wheel spinning, but can just about make it up there. So, you know, and the other problem is I'm getting a lot of derailments. I think, well, that Royal Mail coach is very light, so I'm going to try and put a little bit of extra weight in it. But it's just, I don't know, I'm not happy with it. I know I'm running early doors with it, but I think it's just causing far too much faff and problems. Yeah, so I'm not going to do away with it just yet, because I do quite like the idea of having a tunnel. So, yeah, I might keep that. But yeah, when it goes up okay, you know, but coming back down, it'll either derail here, or it will derail by the time it comes to this corner. So, but yeah, let me just demonstrate. There we go. Let's have a bit of fun. So I'll pop you there. A couple of points. That was smooth. That was very smooth. We'll do all that. Oh crap! I forgot about that. I will never make a good signalman, me. Oh dear. Yeah. I will never make a signalman. Right, let's yeah, I'd have killed people by now if I was a real signalman. Try again, shall we? Oh, we're not on properly somewhere. Try again. Why are you being an arse? You're on the tracks. Why aren't you working? There you go. Right. We'll pretend that didn't happen. There we go. Alright, and on this one, we'll send her up the ramp. Oh, she didn't make it this time. See what I mean? Alright. Ah, see what I mean? It's just, I'm wondering whether or not it's not just too much hassle because, because I'm getting an issue here almost every time. Yeah, I think it's jumped off the flipping rails again. Yeah, there's just nothing for it to jump on. Yeah. Does not want to stay on the tracks. We'll bring her back down. Do it nice and slowly. Come on. Sort of minimise risk. See? See what I mean? Just on that bit. Derailed. Sounds like we're off somewhere again. Yes, we're off somewhere again by the sound of it. Yep, that coach again. So yeah, I really am thinking about, just doing away with that altogether. Just having like a little siding here. Maybe have a little siding along here. But yeah, then I'll have to think about this. I would love some suggestions and comments on this. Because then there's the other problem, because I can't do away with that altogether because I'll have to completely redo all the landscaping here. Well, the other thing is I get a decent right hand point and I could splice this little loop back into the outer loop underneath here, and then and then sort of extend the table out a little bit here and have the station on this side. I mean, as I said, as much as I love the idea of it going underneath the tunnel, just don't think it works. It's a bit of a shame. But yeah, just a, just a short little update tonight. Yeah, so please leave me a comment, give me suggestions, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one very soon. Thanks a lot. Cheers.